Hi, welcome to Pittsburgh Central Vacuum. We're here at the Pittsburgh Home and Garden Show, and one of the questions we're often asked here is why should we choose an MD Central Vacuum system over some of our competitive products? So let me tell you a little bit about what makes MDs unique. First thing is, you'll notice on all the MD units, there are intakes on the left and right, as well as a utility valve here on the front. What that means is the pipe can come in on either side, plus you always have a built-in inlet on the front to easily vacuum cars if it's mounted in the garage, or vacuum in the basement, or anywhere that the unit is mounted without having to install an additional inlet. That not only saves you time, but also it makes for a much cleaner install. The other thing you'll notice is on the top empty machines, we lift the lid off of here, which the MD units are all made out of 18 gauge powder coated US steel, so it's going to look great for years and it holds up super well. You'll notice inside of here that they feature an 8-gallon True Seal microfiltration disposable bag. This not only filters extremely well, but it means that you only have to change the bag once or twice a year in the average home. We'll talk more about the filtration system later. One of the other things that make the MD systems unique is the motors are mounted here at the bottom and the dirt comes in up here at the top. What that means is two things. First, as the dirt enters in, it helps compact the dirt down, giving you more capacity on the bags. But also, because the motor is mounted lower in the garage, the air that's brought in to cool the motors is much cooler than the air that goes up here at the top of the garage. It makes the motors run cooler and ultimately last longer. The other great thing is all the MD units have a 2-stud mounting bracket that allows the unit to move to the left or the right 6 inches. This not only makes the installer's job a lot easier, but it also makes it for extremely rigid install, so it's not going to shake or vibrate on start. It also makes it nice where if you ever need to paint your garage or move the unit for some reason, you can easily slide it off, take it off the wall, put it right back on, making it really easy and convenient to work with. So getting back to the True Seal bag system that you'll see here, a lot of manufacturers now offer a disposable bag unit. But what makes MDs unique is not the bag itself, but the cloth support bag that's mounted underneath of here. That's kind of hard to see, so we have a cutaway unit here which shows that. So most disposable bag systems, when the air enters into here, the bag inflates like a balloon. The problem with that is the sides of the bag hit the sides of the can, making it so that only the bottom of the bag, the air can enter through it. The MD system uses a tapered True Seal support bag sitting inside of here that prevents the bag from inflating and hitting the sides of the can. What this means is the air can completely surround the bag, allowing you full use of the entire surface area of the bag, extending the capacity, but also making sure that your suction stays constant, even when the bag is full. So the great thing about this is the air is coming in here, pushing the dirt down, it's compacting it in, and the air exits the support bag and goes through a final filter that is there just in case you were to install the bag incorrectly or run it without a bag, prevents the dirt from getting in the motor, causing any damage to the motor. The air then goes through the motor, it comes out the exhaust where it can either be vented into the room or vented outside, depending on your preference. The great thing about the True Seal bag is because of its 8-gallon capacity, it means that the average home only needs to change it once or twice a year. In fact, in the average 2,000 square foot home, even with a lot of dog hair, most of our customers tell us they change the bag about once every 7 or 8 months. So your maintenance is cut down, it's really easy to take care of, and the great thing is with the support bag underneath of here, if you ever forget to change the True Seal bag and it were to ever get overfilled, you never have to worry about the bag rupturing and letting dirt into the motor. Your suction would just simply go from about 100 to 0, just like that, which is a really great indicator the bag's overfilled. So if you have any questions, please give us a call or send us a message. We're always here to help with system design and setup and answer any questions you may have. MD offers about 15 different units. We have 3 of our most popular ones here. The F450 Flowmaster unit is great for small homes up to 4 or 5 inlets. The F650 is our most popular unit. It's great for retractable hose systems or homes up to about 10 standard inlets. And then we have the modern day M715 unit, which is great for semi-commercial installations, as well as larger homes or any place that's going to be using the system quite a bit, such as a large retractable hose installation. We also have another larger unit that we don't have at the show. It's called the S900, and that's great for homes up to 20 or 25 inlets and large commercial jobs. So again, give us a call or stop by our booth at the show or send us a message. We're happy to help. Thank you.